Hi, I'm Susan. If you're watching this, chances are you're struggling with nail fungus, brittle or discolored toenails, constant itching, or that stubborn foot odor that just won't go away. And while many people try to downplay it, I can tell you from experience, it's more than just a cosmetic issue. It affects your confidence, your comfort, and your daily routine. You start avoiding sandals, pool days, or yoga classes just to avoid the embarrassment of someone noticing your feet. And I know how frustrating it is to feel like you've tried everything. Creams that stay on the surface and never solve the real problem. Sprays that burn or dry your skin. Pills that come with warnings longer than the instructions. So I started researching alternatives that could actually make a difference, without causing more problems than they solve. That's when I came across Metanail. And after reviewing the formula, the data, and real-world results from patients and everyday users, I felt confident enough to give you this honest review. Metanail is a completely natural solution developed by a team of medical specialists who understand the frustrations caused by nail infections and skin conditions. Based on extensive research into how fungal infections work, and more importantly, how to break the cycle without harming your body in the process. Unlike most treatments, it's oil-based, which means it penetrates deeper into the nail and skin, where the fungus actually lives. That's where most treatments fail. They only deal with the surface. The formula is made with a blend of natural oils and nutrients, including sunflower oil, rosehip oil, clove essential oil, thyme essential oil, and tea tree oil. All of them combined in the right concentration to create an environment where fungus can't survive, while supporting the natural healing of your skin and nails. And because it's 100% natural, Metanail doesn't come with any side effects. No burning, no peeling, no chemical smell. It's gentle, clean, and safe for long-term use, which is exactly what you need if you want real results. Of course, like any serious treatment, consistency is key. You can't expect overnight results. Most people start to notice improvements within a few weeks, but the best results usually come after about 3 months of daily use. It's a small commitment that can make a big difference in how you feel and how you live your life. One thing I really appreciate is the 60-day money-back guarantee. That tells me the creators of this product truly believe in it. If it doesn't work for you, you get your money back, no questions asked. That's not something you see often with this kind of product. I also had the chance to speak directly with the team behind Metanail. They're serious about quality, transparency, and helping people feel better without relying on harsh medications or expensive procedures. That gave me even more confidence in what they've built here. So, if you're tired of hiding your feet, if you've tried other treatments that didn't work, and you just want something that's safe, affordable, and actually delivers results, I really believe Metanail is worth a try. But I have a very important warning. Metanail is not sold on Amazon, eBay, or any other third-party platforms. If you see it there, it's likely not the original formula and may not be safe. To protect your health and ensure you're getting the real deal, only buy from the official website. To make things easier for you, I've included the link to the official website in the description of this video. That way, you can be sure you're getting the real product, with all the protections and guarantees that come with it. I hope this review helped you understand what Metanail is really about, and if you decide to try it, I truly hope it helps you regain not just healthy nails, but also your confidence and peace of mind. Take care.